Okay guys, so this is how you're going to create your dream garden. You're here on your Google Classroom classwork. If you go down to create your dream garden, that's your second assignment that you have for our first week. Just go ahead and read over the instructions. It says click the Explore Demo Garden, watch the how-to video, and then screenshot your garden and submit it here on Google Classroom. So once you open the link, you're going to want to Explore Demo, and then continue. Now yours is going to look a little bit different because I've already started with mine, but you're going to want to first watch this video explaining to you how to do your garden, but I'll show you a couple tips like how to move around with your arrows so you can see the whole area that you have to work with. I'll show you how to delete some things. So if you click over here on the left, you can click on planting beds, or you can make it where you can't see your planting beds. You have plants. You can make it where you can't see them. So the eye is what you can see and what you cannot see. So if you click on a plant, you have the option to delete it, get some information. So you might not want pumpkin, so you can delete the pumpkin. You can also, if you click on the bed, you could also go ahead and delete that whole bed. And you could take a minute. You have to be clicked on plants if you want to click plants though. So you might want to delete your plants and then maybe start a whole new garden. So you could go to planting beds, pick your shape. I'm going to do another square and you just drag it. So maybe you want to take this whole area and make it one large garden, or do you want to have smaller individual gardens? So you're going to have to take some time and play around with this. You can also add shade. You want it to be in shade. Some plants need shade. So go ahead and play around, take your time. But once you're done, you can take a picture of it with your phone, or you can screenshot it on your tablet or computer and then upload that image for me. If you have any questions, email or comment.